Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Steven and this is my brother Tim. And if you're joining us for the first time, make sure to check out the video description for links to our social media and ways to get in touch with us.
Absolutely. If you are watching this video, you have arrived at how to use our channel. So 2 important things to point out. Number 1, the playlist section. We have 4 very distinct playlists, one for buyers, one for sellers, one for real estate in general, and one for fun videos that we're going to be doing just throughout the week. So make sure you stop by, subscribe, and hit the notification button as well if anything you've seen or heard is useful for you. Secondly, the most important thing is a lot of our videos are going to be podcast style videos. This is not a high production content YouTube channel. So feel free to just plug in the headphones, keep doing what you're doing, and just listen away. If there's something that's awesome that we really want to point out, we will grab your attention with the power of our voices. Our voices. So thank you for coming to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you around.